guys, welcome back to NFT. But for today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Logitech M720 mouse not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if your Logitech M720 mouse here is not working and you tried everything here, there are going to be a few things you need to do. So first things first is you need to make sure that your mouse is actually properly connected. So in this case, make sure the USB is properly connected here and it's not blocking or it's not being blocked by any wall or any partition between your device and your mouse. So in this case, make sure the connection is properly secure. But if that's not the case and you're sure that it's properly connected, well, in this case, what you need to do is you need to press a few things here. So in your mouse, usually you have this 1, 2, 3 button, which is the third button here on your mouse. So this actually allows you to switch profiles in your mouse. Now, what you need to do is you need to press this until your mouse starts working. So let's start with the first profile here, then the second, then the third profile. Now choose or make sure to try each profile here, and usually once you find the correct one and you see your mouse moving, it just means that if you haven't set this profile correctly. So in this case, choose the correct one or switch to the correct profile here, and from then on you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.